Hey guys, I promised my wife that I would not let my daughter go without eating anything other than ramen, so I'm going to make her a smash sandwich, and I'm going to use this Gate Mark old #7 griddle. Alright guys, have the sandwich made. Started out with 1 piece of Colby Jack, then 2 pieces of ham and cheese loaf, and then back to another piece of the Colby Jack because she really likes cheese. And then I put the bread on it and then put some Dukes on top so that when we turn it over, it uses that so it'll cook and it won't stick, and it'll make it all real good when it cooks. Alright, we'll transfer over here. I can feel the heat coming off the pan good. So we will take and put the sandwich on, and you can hear it sizzle. And it is going to be a smash sandwich because it's got a Wapak #9 on it. So it's going to turn out really, really good. Now if you hear the fan blowing, that's because I also have all these going. Now since we have it flat and it's cooking good on the other side, we'll let it sit for just a minute more. I went ahead and put the Dukes on this side. Go ahead and check it, see how it's doing. Alright, we will flip it. Yeah, and that looks good. Well, got this one, got the weight back on it. I hope I'm not the only one that uses these irons in the kitchen. They come in just too handy when you need something to really smash something down. Alright guys, there she is. It is a smashed sandwich. Turned out great. Time to see if the little one likes it.